Hi, I'm Roy from Drone School UK. Welcome to my video about the Air 3S and QuickShots. Let's look at the standard 6 QuickShots you get with the DJI Air 3S. Let's have the first one, is the Dronie. Now here I'm in the centre of the shot. I've worn a box around myself and now the drone is flying back on the default of 30 meters. So it's flying backwards, revealing to 30 meters. Now it's coming back in, flying back into where it started. You can change these distances up to 120 meters. Now let's look at the Dronie through the camera lens. So I'm now flying backwards up to 30 meters and it records for the first part. It doesn't record for the second part. The next quick shot is rocket. The drone will go for the default height of 30 meters. So I've drawn a box around myself and now pressing start. Now there's the countdown, 3, 2, 1, and off we go. The drone's going to go up over the top of me and fly up to 30 meters in height above me. It's going to keep going up. When it gets to the height of 30 meters, it's going to come back. Now the range can be up to 80 meters in the QuickShot mode, so 30 to 80 meters. And here is the rocket through the camera lens. Nice shot straight up in the air, up to just about 30 meters. Now we're going to have a look at the circle, and I'm going to target myself, press on me, so I'm now targeted, and I can go to the left or the right with the circle. I've actually pulled it to the right, so it's now going to the right. And the drone is now going around me. The diameter of the circle is the same as where the drone started away from when I drew the box around me. And it does one full circle. Now let's look at the circle shot through the camera lens. So here it is now. It's going around me. A set pace. I could speed this up actually by using the sticks, which I might do on the next shot, but as it's going around me now, it's doing a full circle of me at the same distance. And if I move slightly, the center of the circle will move. Now I've come in a bit closer, I've gone in a bit higher now, push the drone up in the air, and now I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, it's going to go around me, but I'm going to actually use the sticks. As it gets to about here, I'm going to push the right stick to the right, and it's going to go a lot quicker. You can see that last part of the circle was a lot quicker. You'll see this clearly now in the shot. So as it gets to about here, it starts to speed up as I push the right stick to the right. And the next quick shot we're going to have a look at is Helix. Now I'll click on myself and the box appears, and we're going to go to the left this time with the quick shot, and the Helix maximum radius set for this is 40 feet, but you can see I've put it in meters for you. So the default is normally 10 meters and the range is from 10 meters to 120 meters. It's going round me and it's starting to rise. Keep going round me. It goes round for one full 360 degree rising circle, finishes there, and it'll come back down to me now. So that's the Helix. Let's take a look at it now through the camera lens. Here we go. So you can see it starts at the front of me, goes around. I am moving slightly, but you can see it's tracking me as it comes round, works its way around. Quite an interesting shot, this. The next shot we'll look at is the Boomerang. So I'll click on the Boomerang, click on myself, so it picks me out. That's now got me, and it's going to the right this time, the Boomerang. 3, 2, 1, down we go. And it will use the 3x zoom camera if you wish, but I would suggest you try not to do this, or you get it lined up properly, because as you see I zoomed in then, it cut off the top of my head. Now you can use the 3x zoom on all of the quick shots, but you have to just be a little bit careful with this, as it's chopped the top of my head off, as you'll see there when we look at it through the camera lens. So let's take a look now through the camera lens at the actual shot. and you'll see it, the first part, it's chopped the top of my head off because I zoomed in too far. But this shot, part of the shot, is okay. It gives you a slightly different perspective on the actual shot as it goes round with this zoom on. It's something that you have to play around with from a distance point of view and see how it looks, especially when you look at yourself. Now if I come out of the zoom and I do the boomerang without the zoom on, which is the one I'm going to show you now, 3, 2, 1, let's see the difference. So as it goes round, you get this circle which gets closer, then goes further away, like a boomerang, as it says. So there we're going further away than you saw on the Helix, and then it's going to come back in and come back round to me 360 degrees and finish closer. So let's now take a look at this through the camera lens, and here we go. So we're now going round, climbing and going further away. This is a distinct feature of the boomerang compared to the Helix, and in it comes now. I quite like this shot. It's an interesting shot. Now let's look at the final quick shot, the Asteroid, which is a really interesting shot. Counted down and away it goes. So what the Asteroid is a combination of two things. It's a Dronie, so it's pulling away from me up to 40 or 45 meters or whatever height I've set it to. And now what it's going to do, it's going to take a panorama of still images above me. So this is a full panorama. You can see it's taken 1, 2, 3, moving left 45 degrees, 1, 2, 3, moving left. Then it's taking those photographs, and now it's finished, and now it's processing, and it'll fly down back to me. What we have is a Dronie, and then I think it's probably 26 photos at the top. I haven't counted them exactly, but it normally is 26 on a panorama. And it's taken those photographs and it's going to combine the video with the still images. So it's zooming back all the way, and now it's turning around, and that's the final unit. So it's a really good shot. I hope this video on the DJI Air 3S has been helpful. Happy flying. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.